Round 9, let's go. Knight f3. I get white. Oh, but that's... I get white, but if I win this game, I'm still not 33-36. Shoot. Unlucky. Okay, let's play e3. Let's play the ready opening, the quiet system. They call this the quiet system. That's pretty funny, the quiet system. The quiet system. I like the name of this opening, the quiet system. It's called the quiet system. Thank you to Hibu official for the prime. Okay, Sidechep plays c5. Okay, I fianchetto the bishop as always. e6. I'm gonna go for g3 this time, not d4. I want to play something a little bit more on the edge. I don't want to force just like a draw or something silly like that. I want to play very similar to what I did against Bardia Dineshvar in the previous game. I'm gonna play like c4, queen e2. He can go d4 if he wants. I guess I'll pre-move it in case he plays it. But most likely he'll play something like b6, and I'm gonna go d3, queen e2, rook d1. Exact same setup, except in this game my opponent's bishop is on e7. He is not fianchetto. Wow, he does play d4. Play rook e1. Idea to stop e5, of course, and him building the chain. I can always go a3. I also have knight a3, knight c2 maybe at some point. Plays a5, which also looks kind of suspicious to me. I don't know why. Wait, do I play knight a3? I think I go knight a3, knight b5 here. This looks fairly suspicious to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm insane. I also had knight e5 too. Okay, goes a4. So I can play d3 here or knight b5. Knight b5, d3. Knight b5, d3. I can also take, I guess, but... Takes... Man, I've got so many interesting moves here. It's actually kind of hard to figure out. D3 actually looks correct to me. Yeah, D3 looks right because I can play knight C2. I think this is correct because I have knight C2 and knight B5, and now the pawn can no longer push. So I have multiple ways to put pressure on it. I think this is correct. Maybe it's not, but it looks correct to me. And I think next move I might grab this pawn if he doesn't play something very forcing. Yeah, like here he goes rook e8. So like I can play knight b5. I can also just take the pawn. Knight b5, bishop b4, rook e2. Knight b5, bishop b4, rook e2 is a3. Bishop d4. No, let's go here. I don't believe him. I'm gonna call his bluff here. I also had knight e5, but I want to go for the kill with knight b5. And a3 I takes, bishop b4, just rook e2 and knight c2, and I should just be better. Just a free pawn for nothing. And now I think I go rook e2. Got to keep the pressure on the file. He plays a3, takes, e5, knight c2, bishop c5, d4 should be very, very good for me. Okay, so he goes bishop c5. So now though... Now I have knight e5 as well. Knight e5 is a3, so I think I'm going to take now. I'm going to grab this pawn. I'm going to ask him what he's doing. Knight d2 looks correct to go knight b3. Bishop g4, I'll probably just go bishop f3 back. My big issue here, I think long-term, is that I don't know if I have an actual long-term issue. I think I'm just better, honestly. Maybe not, though. Maybe not. I have a feeling knight d2 wasn't the best move. Yeah, because he's got this and he's got some e4 that I missed. But whatever, let's just do this. He's very low on time, though. He's using a lot of time here to get to this position, so I think I've got great chances. e4, I go knight d2, of course. Or do I go knight h... No, I go knight d2. Of course, knight b3 to hit the bishop. I'll pre-move rook e8, of course. I think I'm very close to winning this game. I mean, he's so low on time here. I'm gonna go here, hit the bishop. Wait, what is that? Wait a second. I need to think here. This is a free piece, I think, unless I'm insane. I can also just play f4, but wait a second. Okay. If I play fe3, knight e3, rook e3, d3, knight c5, e2, queen d2. Wait a second. Okay. I don't understand this, I'm gonna be honest. I just don't. Okay, but I should use... He's got 12 seconds. So wait, knight c5, takes. Queen g5, knight e4 looks fine. Yeah, I don't believe him. I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah, I saw queen g5, but don't I just have knight e4 here? Or am I stupid? Go here? And now what? Because if he takes, I just take and block. I'll pre-move it in case he takes. But I think... Okay, wait. This is just bad, because I can take. Still queen d3. I also have knight f2 here, maybe. Because I'm threatening to trap the queen with bishop c1, which is very dirty, and I keep the fork. I just trapped his Pokemon. Bishop c1, and I think he's just lost. Now the question is, do I take the queen or do I take the knight? I mean, I have 3 juicers for it, but if I take, I have 2 juicers and a pretty easily winning position. But I think I should play the technically correct. Technically correct and correct means something different. No, I think I'll just take. I mean, this looks correct. Like, I should be winning here. Here. Okay, now he goes rook e8, which gives me another pawn that I can capture. But I think now, actually, I don't want to trade the rooks. Because now I can... How do I use these knights? Let's go here. That hangs a pawn. Go here. Go here. Takes, and now I've got D